Hello traders, in today's video I'm going to show you a couple of newer features on the thinkorswim charts. We can now see our stock and options positions, also see an options chain and trade for that options chain. Unfortunately it's the weekend, so we can't do any live trading today.
Now you listen to me. Our trading reopens right now. Get those brokers back in here. Turn those machines back on. Turn those machines back on.
Okay, so let's get going here. So we've got a chart up of the SOXL, and I have a position in this ETF. So the first thing we'll do is show the my position on the chart. So what I need to do is go up here to the gear icon and click that, and then over on the General tab, just navigate down to where it says Positions, and the default is Do Not Show. So we'll just left click that drop down, and we'll show for the underline, and click OK. And let's zoom in. So you can see now on the left hand side there is a green pill, and it says plus 400, 3150. Also note the horizontal line. That is intersecting over on the right hand side, which is right at 3150, which is my price. If I hover over this pill, it's going to basically say the same thing. Now if I right click the pill, there's things I can do, like create a closing order. So now let's take a look at my options positions, and I think we'll zoom out a little bit for that. So we'll come back up here to chart settings, general. This time we're going to show for options only. We'll click that. So you can see that I have got several options positions, and note that the pill color is red because all of these options I'm short. And if we hover over one of these, I'm short 4 33.50 strike calls that expire Jan 17th. Again, note the horizontal red lines. Those all intersect over here at the strike prices that I'm short. So if we want to see everything together, we'll go back up to chart settings, general, positions, show all, and now we got everything up on the chart for SOXL. I think this is pretty cool. If you enjoy the content, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. Okay, moving ahead now, let's bring up the option chain on the chart. But before we do that, let's clear out my positions. And we'll zoom out. Now, note my green cursor. We're in the upper right hand corner. See where it says daily 2050 200 main. This is just one of my saved chart layouts. There's a drop down to click up here. So you'll just left click here. And what you're going to want to do is navigate down to where it says show sidebar and cells. When I click that box, look at the right hand side of the screen. We've got a vertical gray bar that shows up. And we just click in the chart to get rid of that. There's all kinds of things in here, and one of them is option chain, and that's fairly new. So let's just left click that, and we've got an option chain up on our chart. And this is great if you're on a laptop or if you're short screen space. We can adjust the option chain. We can make it pretty big, or we can make it pretty small down there. Let's scrunch up this volume a little bit. And we can trade from this option chain. But before I do that, it's bringing up a very basic option chain layout. I actually have several of these that I've made, and take a look up here where my green cursor is. I'm going to put a link to a video on how to customize the option chain. So I'm just going to click down here, and I'm going to click on my main chain layout here. So again, the markets are closed. We can't do anything live, unfortunately. But let's say I want to get short another put for Jan 17th, or how about Jan 24th expiration? Let's say I like that 26 put. So if I just click the bid here, that's going to bring up the normal order box that we get over on the trade tab. And then I can adjust my price to see fit. I could change the limit to market, whatever. I can confirm and send. I want to caution you though, if you're in here for the first time, when I was in here for the first time, I actually had clicked on a price down here, and my order went directly to the floor and was filled, and I wasn't prepared for that. And I can show you what happened with me. So over here on the right hand side, click on Active Trader. And this little greater than triangular white button, click that and note auto send. Notice that I've got auto send unchecked. If I check auto send, any order I place here on the price dome, any order I place over on the chart, any order I place down here in the option chain is going to go directly to the floor. So let's just click on a price here to buy 100 shares. You know, bam, that's up there. That'd be a live order if the markets were open. Same thing down here in the option chain. If I click this 26 bid price, you know, that's placed an order immediately. I don't have a chance to improve my price or confirm and send. Just make sure it's exactly what I want to do. So again, just make sure you've got that auto send unchecked if you want that extra confirmation before placing an order. I think that's pretty much it. We've looked at a couple of new features in thinkorswim. I like these very much. I'm going to start using these regularly. Thanks for watching the video, and great trading, everyone.